Alright guys, welcome back to Monday Mods. We got a new project car for the channel. It is a 2006 Dodge Charger RT. Yeah, that's right, RT, it's the fast boy. It's got the 5.7 Hemi. Jeff and I, we picked it up off a customer from our day job. Cause he came in with complaints of it wasn't running that good and wanted us to take a look at. Well, after we took out a spark plug on cylinder 2, looks like someone's been beating on like a whole screen door. So looking pretty bad, but so on further investigation, found it has 2 holes in normal. Oh no, not my bumper! Well guys, you can see tire's a little smoked. It's fine. It'll be fine. Bringing the project Charger out to Bobby's, and unfortunately the trailer tire blew. The tire that blew was actually a different size than all of them, so not surprised it blew. Unfortunately, I do not have a spare, so I limped it to a gas station. I'm actually heading all the way out to Bobby's. I'm gonna steal a tire and rim off his trailer, run it back, change it out, and we should be back on the road. Get the Charger back home, man. It's really turning into a day. Well, let me tell you what, like just driving, I just heard pow, and I'm look back and I just see chunks flying. I knew it was me. I knew it was when I heard the pop. It's unfortunate, but this kind of stuff happens in the car industry when you're hauling stuff, so. Oh, I swear if this rim isn't the right size, I'm mad. Like the bolt pattern's wrong. So you guys, I'm using my kneecap as leverage. That's what you want to do. Alright guys, so it seems like the rim I just picked up from Tractor Supply is actually a different bolt pattern. So unfortunately that's not gonna work. I did think of just, there's a tire shop not too far from me. I know someone that works there, and we're gonna see if maybe they can switch just a tire, but actually we're just gonna return that, buy a tire, throw it on the old rim. That way it gets us going. So I'm gonna get everything picked up here. We're just gonna leave the truck and trailer. Hopefully nothing gets stolen. And go get this tire replaced. This is one hectic day, let me tell you that. So we'll be right back. All right, well, as you can see, got a new tire since the tire from Tractor Supply. Ended up putting a tire on the old rim, that way we can get home. So shout out to Mariah at Bell Tire. All right, so we made it. Got it here. In one piece-ish. Tire held up, thank God. So here she is. It's fine. Oh, hold on. I found something. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's this big ass piece of metal.
Bet you that's a valve seat.
Alright guys, so I started working on the car. As you can tell, I got the front bumper off. It was actually barely held on there. Just had a couple of self-tappers. I guess the worst body part on the car is actually the bumper. You can tell over here, it's got the wire mesh grill. It's a little messed up right down there, so we will try to see what we can do, patch that up, fix it, and go from there. Other than that, the car is actually kind of pretty straight. Me and Jeff have already had this car in the air and looked at it, and we do know we'll need a front cradle, and front cradle's a little smashed, so no big deal there. Also took the hood off, so you can tell, no hood, and the intake's off right now. So I just wanted to rip that off and see what we could see in there. Our problem cylinders were right there and right there, 2 and 4. But looking over here, you can't see it right now, but because it fell in the motor, but a valve seal was actually laying across that valve. But the weird thing is, this motor never made any noise when it came in, like no clattering, no really anything. Actually, it was just misfiring super bad. So yeah, just need to start slowly piecing her apart. That's probably all I'm gonna do tonight. I just wanted to take the intake off, so okay, got that. Now we'll probably have to go through and really detail it later, but that's no big deal. So overall, right now we're actually really thrilled with the car, like, or at least I am. I think this is gonna be a great project car. It's gonna be really fun to pull the motor and everything like that. I've never truly dove into a motor that deep as we are with this one, so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I mean, gonna have some front suspension stuff to do, as you would with any Dodge Charger or Challenger. They have a horrible suspension system. Tell she'll get some new brakes on her, so that's one expense we don't have to do, but definitely gonna have to put some money into this, unfortunately. Got them fancy speakers in the back there. Looky there, surround sound, they don't even work. Well, oh, that's fine. Fucking, oh, she got a PA system. Can't forget about that, AGR tube. But I think that's gonna do it for today. It's getting kind of late. It's been a long day, guys. From just getting this thing onto the trailer to the tire blowing, trying to find a tire for the trailer, and now getting it here. Unfortunately, this thing, you guys won't really see much of this car. Unfortunately, it was on the lift and was trying to get this on the lift, so I had to finish that car. And because it's a Ford, I pushed the power steering pump on way too far, and I can't pull it back, and now the pump's bad. So like I said, guys, it's been a long day. So I think we're gonna end it off here, guys. Gonna load up, pack up my tools, go home, place a rainbow, 6 each, or go to bed. I don't. Maybe.